The Cleer Enduro ANC headphones. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we will look at the Cleer Enduro ANC headphones, which features ANC. These are over-the-ear style headphones. I will go over specs, features, provide music and microphone samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you're new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside, it comes with the user guide, Type-C charging cable, audio cable, and an airplane adapter. And it also comes with a storage pouch. The headphones feature 60 hours of listening time. 10 minutes of charge will give you 2 hours. Bluetooth 5.0, AAC app codec, app integration with EQ, 40mm iron-less drivers, button controls, USB-C for charging, ANC, and transparency. These also come in 2 colors, navy and light gray. We will look at the light gray version. The headphones are very light and flexible. The ear cups swivel out and also fold in for easier storage. And you can see the ear indicators on the top part of the ear cups. The ear cups have a good amount of padding and are very soft. And you also get a good amount at the top of the headband. Taking a look at the band, you have a shiny metal finish on the top, and the lower part of the band has a light gray plastic. There is a good amount of travel on each side, and each adjustment levels clicks into place. And you can see how flexible it is. So this should have no issues fitting a wide variety of head sizes. Taking a look at the left outer ear cup, it has a logo along with some accenting. You will also find the following controls: volume controls, power and multi-function button, ANC button, LED, USB-C charge port, and a microphone. On the right side, there are no controls. Everything is on the left. As mentioned earlier, this has app integration, which will allow you to control the ANC features, customize EQ settings, and also have access to the general settings. The headphones weigh in at 300 grams. Now for some music samples. This will give you a sense on how they sound like. It is not a full representation of the overall sounds, as there's no replacements for actually having them on. It will then be followed by a microphone sample.
It's so much harder now to reach you. Your heart is floating in the sky. We known each other for so long. We know our love like an old song. Sing along one more time. It's so much harder now to please you. Your smile is fading with the rain. I'm a one. I'm a one. One. I'm a 1 to 1. I could never be you. Low me tools, no, I can't be fooled. Low me tools, no, I hate these dudes. I'm a 1 to 1. I could never be you. Anything you could do, I could do better. I can do better than you. Anything you could do, I can do better. I can do.
Now for a microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is a test of the Cleer Enduro ANC microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. The microphone came in loud and clear during calls, and other parties had no issues hearing me. The pairing process was instant, and when testing video on an iOS device, there was no noticeable latency. Range was stable as I tested in a 1400 square feet setting. Here are my thoughts on the headphones. They were very comfortable and the ear cups fit well around my ears. There was a good amount of padding and the clamping force is not too tight. They stay into place with no issues. You can definitely wear them for extended periods of time. Build and quality is solid. They feel durable, and once folded, they're easy to store and carry. The color is sharp along with the subtle branding on the ear cups. Button controls responded well, and they're easy to navigate along with toggling ANC and the transparency feature. Battery life is excellent, coming in at 60 hours. App integration is a plus, and you have access to the controls along with EQ settings. The ANC feature performed very well, and it can cancel up to 25 decibels of your surroundings. One of the better ANC features that I have tried for headphones. The transparency feature also did a good job in picking up the surroundings when activated, and it's easy to toggle by just pressing the button. Now when it comes to sound, the bass is pronounced. It comes in deep, punchy, and tight. Definitely not lacking, and it doesn't overwhelm. Mids and highs come in very crisp and clean, and vocals and instruments stand out. There's good separation. It was a very pleasant and balanced listening experience as I tested it through various music genres. Overall, the headphones performed and the sounds were impressive. The ANC feature was excellent as well. So that is my review of the Cleer Enduro ANC headphones. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.